Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature and help you bring a little piece of it into your own backyard. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of us: bird feeders. Whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just starting to appreciate these amazing creatures, choosing the right bird feeder can make all the difference. So, let's dive into the 7 things you must consider when buying a bird feeder. Stay tuned because some of these tips might surprise you. Number 1. Type of bird feeder. The first thing you need to think about is the type of bird feeder. There are several types, each designed to attract different kinds of birds and cater to their unique feeding habits. Hopper feeders are great for a variety of birds and can hold a large amount of seed. Tube feeders, on the other hand, are excellent for smaller birds like finches and chickadees. Suet feeders are perfect for attracting woodpeckers and nuthatches. Platform feeders can attract ground-feeding birds, and hummingbird feeders are specifically designed to hold nectar for these tiny, energetic creatures. Choosing the right type of feeder depends on the birds you want to attract and the kind of seeds or food you plan to offer. So, take some time to observe the birds in your area and choose a feeder that suits their preferences. Number 2. Material and durability. Next, let's talk about the material and durability of the bird feeder. Bird feeders are made from different materials like plastic, metal, and wood. Each material has its pros and cons. Plastic feeders are lightweight and often more affordable, but they might not last as long as metal or wooden feeders. Metal feeders are durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions, but they might get too hot in the sun. Wooden feeders blend beautifully with natural surroundings, but they require more maintenance to prevent rotting or mold. When choosing a feeder, consider the weather in your area and how much maintenance you're willing to do. A durable feeder will ensure that you can enjoy bird watching for years to come without having to replace it frequently. Number 3. Easy to clean. Cleaning your bird feeder regularly is crucial for the health of the birds. Dirty feeders can harbor mold and bacteria, which can be harmful to our feathered friends. Therefore, you should consider how easy it is to clean the feeder before making a purchase. Look for feeders that can be easily disassembled and have smooth surfaces that can be wiped down or scrubbed clean. Some feeders even come with dishwasher-safe parts, which can make cleaning even more convenient. Number 4. Squirrel-proof features. The eternal battle between bird lovers and squirrels. Squirrels are notorious for raiding bird feeders and stealing seeds meant for the birds. If you live in an area with a lot of squirrels, consider getting a squirrel-proof feeder. There are various designs to keep squirrels at bay, from weight-activated mechanisms that close off access when a squirrel climbs on, to cages that allow birds in but keep squirrels out. Investing in a good squirrel-proof feeder can save you a lot of frustration and ensure that the birds get their fair share of food. Number 5. Seed capacity and feeding ports. Another important factor is the seed capacity and the number of feeding ports. If you have a lot of bird traffic in your yard, you'll want a feeder with a larger capacity to reduce the frequency of refilling. More feeding ports mean more birds can feed at the same time, which is especially important during peak feeding times. Consider the size of the bird population in your area and how often you're able to refill the feeder. A feeder with a higher capacity and more feeding ports will keep the birds happy and reduce your workload. Number 6. Location and placement. The location and placement of your bird feeder can significantly impact the number and variety of birds that visit. Birds need to feel safe while feeding, so placing the feeder near cover like trees or shrubs can help. However, make sure it's not too close to places where predators can hide. Hanging feeders from trees can attract a variety of birds, but you might also need a squirrel baffle to keep those pesky squirrels away. Pole-mounted feeders are another great option and can be placed in open areas to attract more birds. If you want to enjoy watching birds up close, consider placing a feeder near a window. Just make sure to use window decals or other deterrents to prevent birds from colliding with the glass. Number 7. Aesthetics and personal preference. Last but not least, consider the aesthetics and your personal preference. Bird feeders come in a wide range of styles, colors, and designs, so you can choose one that complements your garden or backyard decor. Whether you prefer a rustic wooden feeder, a sleek metal design, or a whimsical, colorful feeder, there's something out there for everyone. While functionality is important, there's no reason your bird feeder can't also be a beautiful addition to your outdoor space. Choose a feeder that makes you happy and fits your style. And there you have it, the 7 things you must consider when buying a bird feeder. By keeping these factors in mind, You'll be able to choose a feeder that not only attracts a variety of birds but also fits your lifestyle and preferences. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on enjoying nature right in your own backyard. Happy bird watching, and we'll see you in the next video.